You can do it.
Look, let's go, Melissa. 9-year-old boy just did it. I think you can do it. Come on. 1, 2, jump. Do it. You can't come all the way here and not jump.
Go, go, go.
Yeah.
You can do it, Melissa.
It's not that cold.
Go. You guys ready to go?
Yeah. Come on, no, you have to go right now.
No, we're going after you. No, we're after you.
Just do it. 1, 2, 3, go.
Come on, you can do it. Okay, count down.
10. Ready? Turn around.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Go!
You can do it.
5, 4, 3, 2.
All right, I'm good.